What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. The iPhone 12 series is yet to be launched and the rumors have already started to come for the next year's iPhone 13. CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants Rao Young has shared some information about the iPhone 13 series and the third generation iPhone SE. The iPhone 13 lineup could be similar to the expected upcoming iPhone 12 series with 4 models. These 4 models could be iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. There were many complications regarding the 120Hz display on the iPhone 12. It's now almost confirmed that we will not be seeing the 120Hz display in the iPhone 12 series. Although now it's rumored that Apple may include a 120Hz display in iPhone 13 next year. The iPhone 13 is likely to adopt the ProMotion display with variable refresh rates. According to the news, Samsung is expected to supply the Y-Octa technology to Apple for its iPhone 13. The Chinese firm BOE Technology will also collaborate with LG for producing displays for the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro Max. The iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini are expected to have the same camera setup as iPhone 12 Pro Max, while both the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max are only expected to have LiDAR scanner. The LiDAR scanner is said to come only in the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it is not yet confirmed that whether the LiDAR scanner will come in all Pro models of iPhone 12 or not. The two iPhone Pro models are expected to come with the faster millimeter wave 5G, while in iPhone 12 series there is only iPhone 12 Pro Max that is expected to have faster millimeter wave. The other non-Pro models of iPhone 13 are expected to have the sub-6 GHz 5G connectivity. Apple will also unveil the third generation of its iPhone SE, which is expected in the spring of 2022. The iPhone SE could possibly come with a 6.1-inch display, same sub-6 GHz 5G similar to the other non-Pro models of the iPhone 13, and a Touch ID that could get a new place in the power button just like the iPad Air. The iPhone 12 lineup is expected to launch later this month, and for the first time ever, Apple will include 4 phones in the series. The series is rumored to include the iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. According to the leakster, the iPhone 12 mini will start at $649 and the highest price tag in the series will be $1,399 for the 512 gigs iPhone 12 Pro Max. The iPhone 12 mini will cost $649 while iPhone 12 will cost $749. The iPhone 12 Pro will cost $1,299 and iPhone 12 Pro Max will cost $1,399. All iPhones will have 3 storage options, but the lower end iPhone 12 and mini will exclude the top end 512 gigs option, whereas the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max will come without the lower end 64 gigs option. The iPhone 12 mini is expected to come with a small 5.4-inch display, and the rest of the iPhones will have the same footprint but with progressively larger sizes. The iPhone 12 Pro Max will be the largest of them all at a 6.7-inch display size, which is larger than the current iPhone 12 Pro Max. Earlier reports have said that there has been a delay in production, which is why the base iPhone 12 and mini will arrive before the 2 premium models. The new iPhone will be unveiled on October 13. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.